Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to do a presentation about my business. My name is Joseta Marila Venero Sapena. My student number is 111906070, and I am the CEO of my business. My business name is Venias Mendoan. Venia is from my true name and Mendoan a half-cooked tempe. Here is the video of how to make tempe mendoan.
Hi everyone, do you know fried tempe or fried tempe mendoan? I believe that you ever had it before. Fried tempe is the most popular Indonesian food because of the fried tempe has been available in almost of region Indonesia such as Java Island, Borneo, Sumatra, Bali, and Lombok. One of fried tempe that is very famous is tempe mendoan. Tempe mendoan comes from Purwokerto. No, not only Purwokerto, but also every place is provided this food. Then I am sure you can find it wherever in our country. Culinary business world today is very fast. No excuse for the next generation to forget these very simple foods like tempe mendoan. For that, I invite the next generation dedicate to my students to learn more how to make tempe mendoan. First, you have to prepare the ingredients. 1. 40 grams of tempe mendoan or 4 slices tempe mendoan. This tempe mendoan is made from soya bean as another tempe, but it's different from usual tempe. Tempe mendoan is designed in a very slim, thin, and wider than other tempe. The second is 400 grams red flour. The third, 500 milliliter of water. 4, 3 leeks. You know 3 leeks? Yeah, daun bawang. 5. Frying oil to fry. And 6. Seasoning that have been mashed. And after the ingredients, you also have to prepare the seasoning that should be mashed. The ingredients for the seasoning that should be mashed are 2 garlics, salt, turmeric, and coriander. Alright guys, now the second preparation. The second preparation you have to prepare is tool. The tools are 1. Stoves. Also, you have to sure you have the stove. And the second is cutting boards, knives, and spoonful of dough. The third is frying pan and frying spoon. And now guys, I will show you how to cook fried tempe mendoan. Firstly, mix all the ingredients, namely like put the red flour in the bowl and add the mashed seasoning. And after that, add the leek and then pour the water. Secondly, you can stir well all the material. And the third, put in the tempe mendoan in the dough one by one. You have to make sure all the tempe surface covered by the dough well. After that, you have to turn on the stove. Oil frying is hot enough on the frying pan. Put the tempe mendoan one by one to the hot frying oil. Then fry it in the hot frying oil for about 3 or 5 minutes into a goldy color of tempe mendoan. When you sure it has cooked well, leave it and ready to serve. Finally, you can add also a complementary such as chilies or soy sauce. So simple and delicious. You can try it at home. Thank you guys. See you on another simple traditional recipe. I am Ade Hemalia. See you.
Next, after we watch the video how to make tempe mendoan, here is the background of my company. The first one, mendoan is Purbalingga cuisine. Mendoan is a type of fried food that comes from the residency of Banyumas, Central Java, Indonesia. The word mendoan comes from the Banyumasan language word mendoan, which means half cook of or masih. Mendoan means cooking with much oil quickly, so the cooking is not properly complete. Mendoan is often made of tempeh and tofu. Mendoan became a traditional cuisine about 100 years ago. The second one is affordable. Mendoan is made from tempeh, which is very cheap. Even we can get one big cooked mendoan for 2,000 rupiah. The last one is everybody like it. This is the main reason why I choose mendoan for my business. It's cheap, it's delicious for Purbalingga people. Next, this is my logo. For my product, I make it colorful so everybody get the attraction to my product, and the slogan of my company is Orang Mendoan, Orang Ngapak, Orang Kepenak. Next, for possible market is college student and local society. Because of a big opportunity to attract the attention of the college student with cheap price. If college student feel the price is cheap, then so the society. Next, this is my analysis SWOT of my business. The first one is strength, because the size of my product is bigger. The second one is weakness. My company weakness is the price a little bit bigger because the size of my product. The third one is opportunity. My company opportunity is consumer might choose my product because of the size. The last is trade. My company trade is having a lot of competitors and difficult to search the location to sell this product. Next, for my conclusion, this is local food which has a bigger size and affordable price for a people. This is a local food from Purbalingga. The reason I choose mendoan because mendoan are Purbalingga cuisine, affordable and everybody likes it. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye.